The meticulous examination and recording of a crime scene are of primary importance. The role of the CSI means they must consider evidence continuity, ensuring that their evidence is documented from crime scene to court. They must also take into account evidence integrity, ensuring that their evidence is correctly sealed, recorded, and protected from contamination. Crime lights have been used at crime scenes for over 20 years worldwide. The light sources are used in conjunction with filters, either as a pair of goggles or over camera equipment. Crime lights remain the alternate light source of choice for investigators, but how has the technology advanced in 2020? Introducing the Crime-Lite Auto. The Crime-Lite Auto features an integrated camera, range of light sources and filters, all in a single piece of equipment. The Crime-Lite Auto can be used to capture images and features a range of light sources from the UV through the visible, including white light, and even into the near infrared. Video walkthroughs can also be captured via the Crime-Lite Auto interface. Here, the crime scene investigator is utilising a UV light source to discover evidence which might not be visible to the naked eye. Utilising infrared light sources, we can drop out fabrics to discover evidence such as footwear marks, which can then be captured. Utilising a range of light sources in the user interface, we can move through the spectrum and discover more evidence. Here in the infrared, as we move across the body, we can see blood and GSR evidence, now clear to the investigator. A firearm is also recovered from the scene. The location of the firearm is documented and recovered by the crime scene officer. At the scene, the officer is able to use the MVC light to perform cyanoacrylate-Freeman without needing to go back to the laboratory. The weapon is treated near to scene and then can be imaged using reflective UV on the Crime-Lite Auto. The Crime-Lite Auto features a range of different enhancement features built into the user interface. The CSI can perform basic enhancements, cropping, grayscaling, to achieve a desired result of a dark mark on a light background. Introducing the Crime-Lite app, available for iOS and Android. The Crime-Lite app allows the investigator to control their Crime-Lite Auto, to change light sources, light intensity, and even to capture images. Where there are samples, such as these which are difficult to remove back to the laboratory, we could also take images of the finger mark and use the Wi-Fi capability of the Crime-Lite Auto to connect to the app and to send images back to the lab and to other investigating officers before they even leave the scene. A finger mark in blood such as this may have been quite difficult to recover from the scene. Here, the investigator can simply image on the Crime-Lite Auto and send the image back via the Crime-Lite app to the laboratory. The lab analysts can then upload to their DCS5 system to perform a range of different enhancements, ready then for investigators to analyse. With the investigating officers back at their headquarters, they can now begin to start analysing the images, assessing the evidence in real time as the investigation unfolds, even before the examiner has left the scene.